What's up guys, and the look phase of the Galaxy S9 has started. Instead of a report or a rumor, we finally have our first ever visual leak that shows Samsung's new design change for the Galaxy S9. Alright, this is the CAD drawing leak of the Galaxy S9. The source claims that it is based on the factory design. As you can see, this is the front of the phone, and thank God almighty there is no notch design on the front. We got all our sensors on top, which looks to be very similar to the Galaxy S8's iris, facial, and front camera sensors on the front. So bezels have definitely gone a lot less, at least that's what this highlighter shows. Side bezels are almost gone, and the phone still has the edge display. And then the bottom bezel also look very small. Volume rocker and the Bixby key can be seen on the left and the power button on the right. We also got the back CAD drawing leak as well, and this shows the massive design change that we've heard will happen. So this is Samsung's new back design for debuting the dual cameras on the Galaxy S9 in vertical orientation along with the fingerprint scanner right below it. It's still close to the camera, but in a much better place compared to the Galaxy Note 8's fingerprint scanner. Now, in the last video, I talked about how Samsung had made the final decision to keep the fingerprint scanner on the back of the S9 while still working on an in-display solution for a future flagship, and also at the same time working on a 3D facial scanner of their own, which we might see on the S9, as we have heard that the Galaxy S9 could feature a 3D facial scanner. You can also see the LED flash/heart rate sensor on the right. In my opinion, this looks pretty damn good. The already great Infinity design is getting even better. Twitter leakster Ice Universe posted these red Galaxy S9 renders based on this CAD leak, and it looks freaking gorgeous. Look at that small, thin bottom bezel. The side bezels are almost gone. The front bezel is there for the sensors, which is awesome because there's no notch, there's no interference, nothing is interfering with the actual screen. So based on this, the Galaxy S9 could look like this, and the back will change massively for the better, which is the vertical dual cameras and the fingerprint scanner right below it. Now, only a very well-reputed leakster, he said that he's not 100% sure, but one of his reliable sources told him that it's fake, or at least it's not accurate. So again, something can still change. We're getting into that intense leaky phase, so soon there will be a lot of visual stuff coming. Also, yesterday, the Galaxy S9 Plus made an appearance in the Geekbench 4 with model number SM-G965F, which is, of course, for the S9 Plus, and it says Exynos 9810 chipset, which we know that it will be inside of the S9 family. Samsung recently announced it, and look at that horrible score. Okay guys, this is fake. Geekbench 4 results can be manipulated and they can be edited, so there's no way that the S9 Plus would score less than a freaking mid-range phone. Recently, there's been a rumor regarding the Galaxy S9 Mini with an Infinity display screen size less than 5-inch, and it is coming from an unknown source, so far no further news on it. Right now, the Galaxy A 2018 series is right around the corner. They will get released before the Galaxy S9 family, so this could be a Galaxy A3 2018. We know that the A 2018 series are also getting bezel-less treatment. They will be based on the Galaxy S8 family. Again, if anything comes up regarding this, I will definitely make a video about it, but right now it's just a very dry rumor from an unknown source, so there's not much story about it and not much to talk about it. So yeah guys, the Galaxy S9, the main attraction, is looking to be pretty awesome. I really like the Galaxy S8. I think it has the best bezel-less display this year. It curves and has a 5.8-inch screen size. I mean, size-wise, it fits nicely in the hand and everything. It's just perfect, but lack of dual cameras and no live focus mode makes me love the Galaxy Note 8 more. So having a base 5.8-inch Galaxy S9 with a even better dual cameras, live focus, and selfie focus would be awesome. But let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. What do you think about the S9? Are you happy with what you are seeing? Are you excited? Let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.